Alright guys, so starting off in this POV video here, I'm in the all-new 2022 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid. You're greeted by these two large displays here. This is a 12.3-inch digital display. This is a 10.3-inch display. As you guys can see, it does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unfortunately, it's not wireless. So in this video, I'm going to be basically just driving around and trying to put this thing in electric mode only. I think I depleted the battery here on the plug-in variant of the Sorento here. You can also get a Santa Fe just in case you don't like the Sorento, and with the Santa Fe you get 420 miles of cruising range here, or cruising range. If you guys go for the Sorento that I'm driving here, which is the plug-in variant, you get 460 miles of cruising range, so you get more miles compared to the Santa Fe. And look at that Corvette. Oh my god, that thing is beautiful. But just driving the Sorento plug-in variant here, like I was mentioning, you get 460 miles of cruising range. If you guys go for the non-plug-in variant, you get 650 miles of cruising range, which is even more impressive compared to the size of this vehicle. But just driving here is really quiet. You don't even hear the cars passing by. So Kia does some really good sound deadening materials here on the Sorento plug-in variant. Great visibility throughout this vehicle. Let's talk about the driver's assistance here. This also has highway stir assist, also with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. If you signal left or right, you're greeted here by this blind view camera. That's the left hand side, this is the right hand side, and it does show you a very bright and crisp image there on the display. But you feel the torque from that electric motor, and this also has a 13 lithium ion battery pack. So once you charge it up, you get 32 miles of electric range. So basically, if you stay within a 32-mile radius of your house and you wanted to commute to work, you can basically do that, which is just super impressive that you can do that with the size of the vehicle. And this also has 3 rows as standard seats, and this cabin is just super quiet. I love that it's quiet in its interior. If you guys want to see a more in-depth review of the Sorento, you guys have to check out my Sorento review that I just posted on the channel, or I might just post this first. Whichever one I do first is basically just let me know what you guys think about the Sorento. I'm in love with this powertrain. This is a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It does have GDI, which stands for gasoline direct injection. It's usually a 66.8 or 66.9 electric motor, and once you put the electric motor with the gas powertrain, you get 261 horsepower. It's not the fastest Sorento in the segment, but it is the most fuel efficient Sorento besides the non-plug-in version. When you add up the gas powertrain and also the electric motor, you get 79 Mpg-E, which is super impressive. That's better than a Toyota Highlander, and Toyota doesn't even offer a plug-in variant of the Highlander here in America, if Toyota even offers a plug-in variant around the world. But I think this is just super impressive, especially if you guys do not want to go fully electric just yet. I think the plug-in option is a really good option here for the Sorento. The steering feel in here is very playful. You can feel what the front tires are doing. I think my model also has an independent front suspension because this thing rides extremely smooth and efficient. I love that this vehicle is just super quiet. I love the powertrain, like I mentioned. You get really good fuel economy and whatnot. And I've been averaging 23.9 miles to the gallon. I know that's not the best, but I only had this car for about an hour and a half, and that's just super impressive with me basically not even trying. I know I could probably do better if I had this car for a longer period of time. I can probably reach that 34 miles per gallon with the gas engine by itself. Right now, I think I have around 17 miles of electric range left, but I don't think the car won't let me do it. No, it's not gonna let me basically go into the electric mode because I think the battery is depleted. I think I used up all the juice once I was filming this. As you guys can see, it says low battery maintaining hybrid mode, so unfortunately I cannot go into a fully electric, but we can go into sport mode here. And keep in mind, all plug-in variants do come with all-wheel drive. I'm going to turn it off and put this into sport mode. And of course, it sounds just like a 4-cylinder, buzzy and drony. So don't expect to basically be trying to beat any demons or track hawks or anything like that, because this vehicle is not made for that. This vehicle is to basically move your family around, put the stuff in the cargo area, and also get really good fuel economy. And this also has a 6-speed automatic, and it's pretty pretty good. It gets up to speed really good as well. I just like this powertrain. This is probably one of the best powertrains that I drove in the Sorento. You can just switch between the drive modes. There's snow, sport, eco, and smart. And in sport mode, it does hold the revs, but just putting it back in eco, this thing is really good. Ride quality is good, visibility is good, the driver's assistance is fantastic, the powertrain is good as well. So if you guys want to see the full review on the Sorento plug-in hybrid, be sure to come back to the channel, or like I mentioned, whichever one I post first. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post first, but let me know if you guys want to keep seeing more videos like this with the POV. I know I've been kind of like slacking off of the POV footage, but if you guys want to see more videos like this, just comment down below in the comment section. And special thanks to Dade Kia for giving me time with the 2022 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid. And be sure to hit that post notification and hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more videos like this really soon.